Hello guys, welcome to CAAN Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download your company documents. So, congratulations on successfully registering your company. Now, you want to do some official business like opening a bank account for the company and some additional documents apart from the incorporation certificate and the CR12 are going to be required. So how do you download them from the portal? Go to ecitizen.go.ke, click on sign in. Enter your eCitizen login details, email address or ID number, password, click on sign in. So this video assumes you know your eCitizen login information. Choose where you want to receive your OTP, one-time password, either your phone or your email, depending on what you have access to by clicking on that particular item. You will be taken to the eCitizen portal. This is how it looks like. Confirm that the details are yours. Once you scroll down, click on BRS Business Registration Services. They're in charge of maintaining the life cycle of a business in Kenya. When logging into the BRS portal, you're going to see to choose between your personal account and your organization account. So your organization account are those businesses that you have registered or companies. So to download your company documents, click on your personal account, since your personal account was the one used to register your business. Again, confirm that you're logging in using the correct account by clicking on continue. Now, this is the old BRS portal. This is how it looks like. To access the new portal, click on Make Application. Once you click on Make Application, click on Apply Now under BRS V2, BRS version 2. You're going to be taken to the landing page of the new BRS portal, BRS version 2. This is how it looks like. Click on Sign In. Click on Login with eCitizen. You're going to see the account switcher page again. Continue using your personal account. Under Company Registry Services, click on Proceed. This is the home page of the new BRS portal. Click on Application History to download your company documents. Now you're going to see your company registered, status is registered there. Under Action, click on View. So BRS portal is going to open the data for that specific company, that is the names you proposed and all that information that you submitted during registration. So to download your company documents like BOF1, beneficial ownership form, CR1, CR2 forms, click on Application Documents in the Form Data Navigation section. Now, when you open application documents, you're going to see all the documents you submitted. So depending on where the documents are required, they need the copy that was approved by BRS. So to download that copy, you click on View under each form. For example, for a BOF1 form, beneficial ownership form, you click on View and then download it. That is the document that you signed and BRS approved. So for CR1, again, you click on View to download it. For CR2, the same. For CR8, the same. And for nominal capital, you do the same. Now, the scanned copy that you submitted is going to open in your browser. Click on the download icon at the top there to download the document. To download additional documents such as name reservation certificate, official search, also known as CR12, company registration certificate, download them at below the section there called downloads by clicking on the download button and following the procedure. So thank you so much guys for watching. In today's video, we learned how to download company documents such as CR1, CR2, CR8, and so forth. My name has been Catherine, and this is CAAN Tech Foundation. Until next time, bye-bye.